received a crucial loan of $10,000 from his father. Remember ha, bantayan niyo ba yun? Ayun yung kaligtigan. Ang atong topic today is forgetfulness. Do not forget the benefits na ang ihatag sa ginalato. Pero ang problem, as I have told you earlier, balita ba din mo? In this story, ako isultin niyo, ano siya? In 1982, 1984 din na-founded, di ba? Ang 1984 din na-planted in Isabay, a church. And this was 1982, 2 years before the Church of Obay was planted here in this island. In 1982, John Mackay, co-founder and CEO of Whole Foods Market, received a crucial loan of $10,000 from his father, kaya naman, sa may purpose, to save his health food store from bankruptcy. Antayin niyo ba yun? This loan helped Mackay turn his business around. However, antayin niyo kayo, years later, when Mackay's company went public, nibigyan na siya o kanang asinso, nag-recover na siya. And his net worth skyrocketed to over 100 million during those years. Ako na kayo ng money. He seemingly forgot his father's kindness. The benefit na gihatag sa iyang tatay, nalimutan niya. And today, ang Mackay's company, Whole Foods Market, is now the largest American chain of supermarkets with stores in America, UK, and Canada. Ako kayo. The only problem is, tanawan ninyo, in an interview, Mackay, bantay niyo, credited his success solely to his own hard work and luck without mentioning his father's help. Do not forget the benefits na imong na-receive, not only from the Lord, but remember, ang imong nadawat, ikan sa iyong so, the Father, o kinsa nadawat, di ka na sa Diyos, dili na. Most of the time, God is using somebody to help you. This oversight sparked criticism and served as a reminder of the importance of acknowledging and appreciating the help received from others. Oh, a sad story. Kalimtaliyan na mahal. Kita mga anak, kita ng mga fathers, kita ng mga grandparents. Wala ba yung nakikitagaan yung mga anak din, kikalimtan na ta? Doon naman ang experience ninyo? I hope not in the church, pero outside, there are plenty of them. And this one of them, karing story. Sakit naman yun, di ba? Iasinso na siya maayo, then what happened? Iyang ikalimtan ang iyang father, ang iyang amahan. Another story taken from the Bible. Common kanina nga story, ari ko sa the book of Daniel. Tanaw na to ang book of Daniel. Ito kanina siya nga story, the book of Daniel. Common kanina nga story about Nebuchadnezzar. Di ba, nakuha na to, the book of Nebuchadnezzar. Tanaw na to, Daniel chapter 4, 29 to 30. If you notice, si Nebuchadnezzar was one of the richest, very successful kings. One of the kings during his time nga nahimo siya nga very, very successful. Diba? Very successful. Tanaw natin sa nito po Daniel chapter 4, 29 to 30. Kada lang sa duha kong basahon. Tanawan niyo maayo. At the end of the 12 months, he was walking about the royal palace in Babylon. The king spoke, saying, "Is not this great Babylon that I have built? Unsay common ni King Nebuchadnezzar o katong story kaganihan ni John Mackay. Unsay common? Si John Mackay kaganihan ingon sa nahimo ni siya kami dako ang akong company because of my own hard work and luck. Karon si King Nebuchadnezzar, these are two stories. One worldly and the other one in the Bible. But sa common character nila, forgetfulness. The king, tadawa, at the end of the 12 months, he was walking about the royal palace of Babylon, And the king spoke, saying, amot do labi naminaw niya, or iyang isultihan ng iyang kaugalingon, na how proud I am. Grabe ko na proud, di ba? Tanawa ako ni tanan. Tanawa. Ningon siya, is that this great Babylon that I have built for a royal dwelling by my mighty power and for the honor of my majesty. We should remember, brothers and sisters in Christ, that we should